class. I'm Miss DC Windsor, and this is my self-soothing kit. I have quite a bit of large items in there, so I didn't have a cute little pretty box to put it in, but I did find a paper bag and put some hearts on it, and I feel good about that. So I'll just go through it, and then I have a checklist here to make sure that I got all of my senses covered by the items in my kit. Okay, so first off, the good stuff. I have several items here. Let's start with this one. This is Pike's Coffee. This makes me feel good in the morning, and this also helps me when I am needing to take time away and just kind of have a moment to myself. I love to have a cup of coffee. Sometimes if it's towards the end of the evening to help me wind down, I love to have lemon ginger decaf tea. There's always a desire to have some chocolate, and I would normally have gum on here, but I didn't have any. That is something that is very soothing to me as well. So on that, when the coffee is brewing, the smell just gets me ready to have a timeout. Taste is covered in all of these things. And I actually really love the sound of ripping the tea bags open. So I have one for sound as well. Okay, this is just a blank notebook. I have it for whatever I want to do. If I want to sketch something out, if I want to journal something, whatever. It's just something great for me to have in the midst of a stressful day or whatever. So I have that. Let's see here. That would probably, I don't know which one that would fall under. I have to think about that one. I have lots in here though. Next up, I have face paint. Face paint, I love the colors. This is one well loved. I also share this with my daughters, so it brings me fond memories of doing that, but we really like to face paint a lot. It brings us a lot of joy. So I would say this would mark off sight. And I love the smell of the face paint. And I love the feel of both doing the artwork on others and when my daughter does my face. So this covers a whole lot too. So I'll just set that to the side. Okay, so far we have touch, smell, taste, sight, and sound covered. And 2 for smell. Here's a 3rd for smell. Love lotion. If I'm feeling kind of panicky and I want to moisten my hands, that helps really calm me down. So I'm going to put smell, and I'm going to put down that for touch as well. So yay, another one for touch. Yes. Okay. I have some Uno cards. I love the sound of the shuffle. I just really like that. And it reminds me of spending family time when we're just all hanging out and enjoying one another. That makes me happy. I have my Bible. I do like how it feels. The cover is really cool, so I can mark touch. I like how it looks, and just having that brings me comfort. So I would say the sight is important, the touch is important, the sound. I haven't really thought about the smell. It smells old, old and wise. Yeah, maybe I like that too. So my Bible is in my self-soothing kit as well. I have a candle in my self-soothing kit. This one has a vanilla base and something else. I really, really like the vanilla. It gives me comfort, and it's calming, and it's comforting, and I just really love it. And I love how it looks visually. So I'm gonna mark one for sight and smell. Okay, this is my go-to anytime I'm stressed. It does not matter what the stress is. I feel constricted and just, and I need to refresh. So water is my go-to, super important. I would say that would be how it feels going down. Makes me feel like I can breathe again. How it tastes, fresh. Sound, really sound of water, period, is important to me, but I guess that wouldn't come into play with this. Well, even that, I maybe, I mean, I do like that. So, okay, couple more things. I got all my boxes checked, but I have more things that bring me comfort in my self-soothing kit. Here's my camera. I took a photography class here at college, and it's one of the only F's I've ever got, but I tell you, I got so much out of that class. Not a good grade, but I learned to see the world differently through the lens, and I really appreciate that. I love how the camera feels. Touch, smell, no, not so much. No, I didn't taste it. Sight, yes, I love the sight of my camera and what I see through my camera. And it often brings me outside, and we have 23 acres, so I'm usually going through our woods and all the different sounds of the birds and nature, and it's just awesome. I love it. So I'm gonna check those off as well. Couple more things and I will be done here. This is a massager. So bam, touch, smell, no, taste, gross. Sight, no. Sound. I really, really do like this sound. Oh, I gotta push the bottom first. Usually somebody's doing this for me. But listen to that. I love that sound. So, big self-soothing kit. Okay, here we go. Brought some weights. I love to work out. Still got a ways to go on my weight loss, but I've lost almost 40 pounds now, and I love this particular weight, what it's made out of. It's awesome. I love how it feels. So that, touch, sight, I guess maybe we'll just go with touch. I'm gonna go with sight too. I really like it. I mean, I really, really like this weight. Okay, and last but not least, I have my phone. The two things that I love most about my phone are they have pictures of my kiddos and all the things that I love. And it has Pandora and other ways that I can access music. Sometimes that's rock and roll, sometimes that's booty shaking R&B, sometimes it's praise and worship. But it is huge, huge, huge in my self-soothing kit. So there we go. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, I gotta give me something for that. That is 7 for my touch, 4 for my smell, 2 for my taste, although we know that's not the truth. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus my gum, so that would be 5 actually for my taste. Sight is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 5 for sight, and sound is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Touch and sound are my biggest self-soothers, I guess. Wow, I learned something about me. Thank you.